antibiotics and medication. Hey y'all, I'm Amy and welcome back to Misty Down Farm. Today, it is so wet, y'all. It is so windy and so wet. Here in Florida, we had a tropical type system move through over last night and this morning. And y'all, it dropped over 5 inches of rain. Our rain gauge only goes to 5.5 inches and it was overflowing. So y'all, we had so much rain. Fortunately, all the animals have a dry area they can get to. Like the pigs have like a platform they can get up on and closed in area, and like the piglets and Toby is fine and the goats are fine. But y'all, oh my word at the water, oh my word. So it is now evening and I filmed a little bit this morning when I was feeding up. That's what y'all saw as I was talking about it. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of feeding up this evening, and then I'm gonna go and, well, we're gonna go and look at Christmas lights tonight. One of the things that the kids love to do is to go look at Christmas lights. And we usually wait till about a week before Christmas so that there's lots of lights, everybody's got them up and everything. And we're also gonna drive by my parents' house where I grew up because they go all out with lights. So we're gonna do a little bit of feeding up this evening, and then we're gonna go look at lights. Currently, we are out of power. We have been out of power here for, I don't know, like 6 hours now, with the wind and rain and everything. So hopefully we'll have power back on and I'll be able to upload this video and get it finished by Tuesday, hopefully. But anyway, we're gonna go feed up, and the only thing I can't do is water animals, but y'all, they don't need water. They are just, everything's overflowing. So let's go get started with that. Alright, so Pickles and her crew are in here now. Feel some scratch. There you go. You gonna play? Come on. I know it's wet, huh? There you go. You gonna run on the tires? Come here. There you go. Come on. What's up, dog? Okay, so this water situation is still not good. I've got 4 girls in here, 1 small trough here. That one's full of water. So I gotta go get my towel boots and attempt to empty that one and get it to where I can use it. This is gonna be fun. Okay, I have my big boots on. And I'm gonna throw them a little bit of feed here so that they don't knock me over when I'm in there. Because I may not even be able to walk very well. It's very goopy. Okay. have a pelleted feed that I had left over from the other day. So that's what I'm just giving them today because it's easier and it's not as, you know, it's easier. That's why. Okay, Abby, you can come trade me boots again. What? You want to trade boots again or do you want to stay in those? Trade. Okay. Abby was clunking around in my big boots so she can walk in deep puddles. Yep. Got it. Aren't these cute, y'all? They got goaty goats on them. My friend Miriam gave me these for my birthday. They're so cute. Okay. Oh, Bonnie, is it wet in the puddles, Bonnie? You need to get out of the wetness. Go where it's dry. Just so y'all know, it is not cold out here. It's a little bit chilly. Not cold. I'm just wearing a beanie because I didn't want to go find a hair tie. I'm just keeping my hair out of my face. But y'all, look at this water. And back here. Look at these guys. You poor things. All they have is the dry up in their house. They all have, like I said, a platform and a dry, cozy spot up in their houses. But with the amount of rain we got, oh my word. This pen here is the worst. So I'm hoping, I mean, it's been drying up pretty quick today because of how it'd been so long since we've had quite a bit of rain. So the ground is sucking it in pretty good. But I'm hoping she goes into heat very soon so that I can just get him out of here. Like in the next day or two would be great, Indy. Okay, that'd be great. I know, I'm coming. I'm gonna feed you.
We are out of power right now, but at least we can fill the waters.
I'm done with the animals. I'm trying to stand inside my feed room so the wind noise isn't so bad. The piglets saw me come back around and now they think they have to eat again. You hear them out there? I just wanted to say real quick, thank you to everyone for all your prayers and your well wishes. Everyone is feeling so much better. We still have a little bit of congestion going on and there's a little bit of a cough, but it's not that bad at all. And so we're all feeling much better. So thank you very much. I know it's going around, and prayers to everybody out there who's dealing with that right now. It's not fun. It really isn't. So now we are going to, I'm going to go get Toby's bottle and give that to him and get them put up for the evening. And then we're going to give it just a little bit longer, let it get a little bit darker, and we're going to go look at some Christmas lights. Okay, I realized that I hadn't given you an update on Myrtle yet. And sometimes I do that. Sometimes I mention things and then I forget to talk about them. Okay, so Myrtle here, you can see it on her nose. You can see her ears. She's got like a lotion stuff that's being put on her. It's not lotion. It's like she's got antibiotics and medication that she's being given, and then also this cream to put on her nose and her ears, which is where her skin situation is happening. And the vet said that it would take a while for it to get better, that it was going to be a process, but she is doing better. She's still here in this catch pen area. They've got this little corner here. There's more space than the tiny corner that you see, but I'm standing on the outside and I want to show myself and them. They have more than this, but this is a rigged up shelter in addition to the sides being solid that they have here, so they have a nice dry area here. But she is improving. Okay, now let's go look at Christmas lights. All right, Jill, what are we doing?
We're driving around to look at all the Christmas lights. Yeah.
Y'all tell everybody what this house is.
This is Nemo's house.
This is where I grew up.
Oh my word.
Can you turn your lights off?
How's everybody feeling? Good? Oh, I love you. I don't care about them.
All right, y'all, we are back home. We were only home for about 10 minutes or so, and then our power came back on. So that's good. Yay. All right, thanks for hanging out with us this evening. Until next time.
Keep on the sunny side.